Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing the display to its true settings. Set the native resolution and the correct refresh rate right away so frames match the screen. Once done, swap to display port or a high-bandwidth HDMI cable and make sure your graphics drivers are updated. Drivers fix timing and buffering issues. Make sure you run games in exclusive full screen when testing, because borderless modes can change frame pacing. These steps remove the most common causes of tearing before tweaking frame syncing. Next, you activate frame synchronization so GPU output matches the monitor scan. Enable VSync or, better, Adaptive Sync/G-Sync/FreeSync in your GPU control panel and on the monitor. These systems dynamically align refresh to frame delivery. If frames exceed refresh, use a frame limiter, either in-game or a utility like RTSS, to prevent unnecessary tearing and stutter. Also try triple buffering when VSync is on. It smooths transitions while keeping input lag acceptable. Finally, you validate and fix remaining issues by running a tear-prone scene or a test tool and observing results. If tearing persists, swap ports or cables and disable overlays, recording software, and third-party frame cap tools that interfere with timing. Make small adjustments, lower refresh or tweak frame cap, and retest after each change. If nothing helps, capture a short clip in system logs, then contact support. One key tip: try a different display or GPU to isolate hardware versus software costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.